Welcome to the Sleep Stories channel by UZZ. I am delighted to share a new story with you. Before we begin, please take a deep breath and relax your body. Then, find the most comfortable position for yourself and get ready to soar into the universe of stories. In a verdant land far away, Mr. Hamster and Miss Hamster became renowned dessert chefs in the kingdom, celebrated for their shared passion for sweets and exquisite cheese-making skills. Their story, as delightful as the desserts they crafted, was rooted in a childhood spent in a joyous courtyard, constantly engaged in friendly rivalry. This competition, however, was grounded in a deep friendship that drove their continual improvement in the culinary arts. The kingdom's ruler, the Bear King, had a refined palate, especially a fondness for cheese, allowing the talents of Mr. and Mrs. Hamster to shine brightly. After tasting their cheese desserts, the king lavished praise on their skills but found himself at a crossroads when considering the position of the chief dessert chef. An unexpected discovery. A fragrant treasure map believed to be left by the legendary golden hamster containing secrets to cheese making, presented an opportunity to determine the new chief dessert chef. Embarking on a quest for the secret recipe, Mr. Hamster and Miss Hamster faced the unknown and challenges. At a mysterious valley, lured by the scent of cheese, they found a hidden door in a rock wall leading to an ancient cheese-making workshop, a treasure trove of old and valuable recipes. But the secret recipe was not just a guide, it was a test of the dessert chef's virtues. Golden Hamster believed that a true master chef must possess not only skill but also a kind and humble heart. Without hesitation, Mr. and Miss Hamster crafted numerous delicious cheeses, sharing them with those in need on their journey back. This act was not only a response to the recipe's challenge but also a reflection of their inherent goodness and compassion. When they recounted their experience to the Bear King, he was so moved by their virtues and talent that he appointed them as the royal chief dessert chefs together. The story of Mr. and Mrs. Hamster, like the cheese they crafted, matured over time, becoming richer and more delightful. Managing the royal dessert kitchen together, they brought joy and sweetness to the kingdom with their love and talent. Their love, like the cheese they made together, became more beautiful and precious over time. Enduring the test of time, under the Bear King's witness, they became a perfect couple, and their tale became one of the most widely told beautiful legends in the kingdom. Their story shows us the pursuit of skill, the test of virtue, and the beauty of love, reminding us that true talent lies not just in one's abilities but in the depths of one's heart. Through their journey in the world of love and gourmet, Mr. and Mrs. Hamster wove unforgettable memories with their tale.